Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Job Shop USA. My name is Keith and we're here in my shop tonight because I want to bring you some news. I've had many requests on, hey, do you have any shirts or you have this or that, and can I order them and whatnot. Remember back in the day before COVID, A-Bomb, myself, and a few other guys from the shop community all had a storefront on T-Blasters. And they went belly up during COVID, and we lost that advantage because even myself, back in the day, I would order raw shirts and things made up here at my local embroider shop, and then I would storm in my spare bedroom or wherever I could, and I used to handle mail orders directly on my website, and that actually was not very productive as far as my time. So that T-Blasters actually helped us out quite a bit. I've been approached by TeePublic, and they have a new storefront. Dashery is their program to handle storefronts, and they have worked with me, and I've given them a couple of my new designs, and you're going to be able to purchase swag directly online, pick your sizes and choices and things like that. And it's going to, it was kind of like a no-brainer. Now, this is something new, so we're just going to have to try it out and check on the quality and the service and everything else that they provide you with. If it's great, then let me know, and if it's not great, you still let me know, because I can shit can them as quick as I took them on. But we're gonna give them a benefit of the doubt, and so anyway, let's go on over to my desktop there, and I'm just gonna kind of like hit you on the storefront there real quick. Let's check it out. All right, here's the link for Job Shop USA. Now, when you click on that, you'll come right up to this page right here, Job Shop USA, and it has my background for my shop on my website and a few other places that I care. Here's the designs that I've chose to put in here, and basically it's my Patriot attitude and also my company logo with "Let's Repair America One Project at a Time." All right, and you get them lighter and dark depending on the background. Okay, a little bit about Job Shop USA here, and right here, sort by filters. Now you have your filters over here. Now this gives you way more than what T-Blasters ever decided to give you, and hey, I might put other designs in it later on. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, you're gonna let me know, and they have all their information on this site as well for returns and all of their policies. Okay, so you want to pay attention to that. Adult apparel, so you have t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, crew sweatshirts, tank tops, baseball t-shirt. What's the difference of baseball t-shirt? Oh, okay. I'm not that hip on baseball, so anyway. All right, let's go back to accessories. You got hat, stickers, magnet, phone cases. They don't have my phone case, but they might have yours. Pins and totes. And then home goods. You got mugs, so you can get a coffee mug. it's going to be hard to give up my Donald Trump mug, but I might actually pick up a Job Shop USA mug there. Tapestry, posters, and my pillow. We're gonna give Mike Lindell a run for his money. Okay, but I'm just kind of giving you guys a rundown on it. Okay, and but you know, your T-shirts. Okay, this is the double-sided shirt right here, and you can get that in any color you want. And they show you what it looks like. All right, so they have the combinations. I wanted to make sure that, you know, they got the front and the back. That's enough said for the news about the swag location and the storefront. Now, for those of you that haven't really caught up to why I've had such a large break in my progress of videos with Pearl, I want you to know that I have not proceeded since my last video. All right, nothing's being done without you seeing it. Um, so I had left off on the taper attachment here, and I still haven't adjusted or set these up, but this is still set up um, for videoing, okay, and creating the continuation on our series. I do want to let you know that I did break down, and I actually contacted Monarch, and I actually ordered a couple pieces. Okay, first off, I was going to order a new bezel that holds that glass in here. This is the bezel that fits down in here and reads out, gives you a line. I don't know if you can see a line in there. Let's see if there's a line in the center. Oh yeah, I got it horizontal. There you go. Okay, and you can see how bad that is, and you know you can see through it still. You know, I see my fingernail there. So anyhow, I had them quote me out and everything else. Okay, they wanted $1 million for this piece right here, and I figured I could polish the bezel up and I can reuse that. All right, but I did drop a couple $100 in little piece of plastic that I could have cut out on the water jet. This is the main thing. That's a new focal or magnifier with the line in it, and the little clip that holds everything in. And when you sandwich between the two plastics there, you actually have a coil spring. So I did order all of those pieces there from Monarch, and they just happened to come in the day after I got back with Lisa, our trip to Brava, Cape Verde Islands, to visit the guys and help set up the machines there with Valdir. And I'm putting those videos together. I have about 3 or 4 more parts to that series, and I'm trying very hard with the amount of time that I actually have to work on anything extra than helping my customers out. I got back here, and of course I've been gone for 3 weeks, so I had a couple projects coming in. I'm handling a main propulsion system on a boat that might be in one of these tuna wishing movies programs that are coming up this season. I have a pair of shafts, three shafts actually out there. I'm going to be making 2 and another one. These are from other customers. And I have three fuel tanks. 3 I quoted on, and 1 I'm just about finished up right here. I got to go ahead on the second, but I'm still waiting for deposit on that, and then I can get going on it. I've been doing things like repairing tiller arms and all kinds of things. You know why? Because this is the time of year that I get hit the hardest with, the main propulsion and stuff like that, and marine applications. But I also have a lot of other people. You have a couple warm days on Cape Cod, and everybody becomes panicked for their project that they put off all winter long. Okay, people put stuff away broke, and then wake up one day and decide to fix it, and they all happen to wake up at the same time. All right, so anyhow, I wanted to touch bases with you on that. I did take the window off the top. I put the bonnet on because I kind of secured everything before I took off for Brava. And now every machine, everything was clean before I left. Now every machine has got a mess on it, and I'm just going straight out. And so anyway, I'm glad to be back. I'm actually glad to be back at work. I had to put a push on a big order of plant hangers when I got back too, because you know, they're getting ready to start the new season. So you got St. Patty's Day, and you got Easter coming up, and you got a couple other things. We've got a few new designs in Harrington hangers. All right. Anyway, I had a big order, and I had to get that out so that I could work a few of my projects out here on the welding bench. I needed more workspace, and when I do the hangers, they pretty well take up this whole center line here. Anyway, this is a fuel tank I've been working on for the last couple days here. This is upside down, of course, and I got to flip it over, and we got a few things, a few welds to add inside. I ran out of wire spool in my spool gun. You know, you always have about that much more weld, and then you run out. But anyway, I did all the TIG welding on the other side, so I'm going to flip it. We got the tops there, and we can get this wrapped up, and we got some hitch trailers for fertilizing machines that we modify a few things to make them last longer for our new customer, and we got that going on. So, you know, as long as video stays fun, I will continue doing it, and I enjoy sharing my life experience. 50 years in the trade right now, so just kind of plugging away. I have a few personal projects as well, and the older you get, the more important your personal projects are. Until next time, get it done.